Yo, all right. Today is May 9th, 2025. Sunday is Mother's Day. Today I took two trades. And we can go over those trades. I'll do the screenshots first, and then I'll go over the video. Did I mark it as the wrong days? Yeah, I think I marked it as the wrong dates. 1 minute as I figure this out. All right, 10:29, 10:29, 10:56. What the heck is this? Missed trade. All right, so this is supposed to be the ninth. 1 minute. All right, so I took two trades. All right, so let's just go through them. So the first trade I took, we price broke down out of this resistance level that was on the 15, the 5, and the 30 minute. We had a rejection level up here that I liked. I said, okay, I didn't see any selling. I didn't see any buying here, so I saw selling. I saw someone coming through. Price came up, gave me the sell. Probably could have entered right here, which would have gave me a 5 point difference. Price moved down. My goal was to always look for my break even as soon as I can. Put the trade into break even, and then I got stopped out. That's basically it. Price reclaimed here. It looked like price was trying to reclaim and stay above. We did have this here, but since we had selling part of the parameter of this buying, I said, okay, I'll see if we can sell here and not get above. I'm looking for continuation back down. All right, so that was the premise of that trade. You see, we had a little trend line, we broke it, and then but price couldn't hold, and then price just stopped me out. That was that trade. All right, second trade. It happened so quickly that I couldn't even make sense of it. So I can at least get the tick chart. So this is the second trade. Probably not too far from it. We got one, stopped out, enter here, boom. I just said, screw it, and I just exit the trade. So couldn't even mark the damn thing. This was the entry that I saw. I saw that we had a wick here, red selling, price reclaimed, and I probably should have just exit right away, but price started moving fast above. I just took that exit and said, screw it, it's not worth staying in that trade. Everything was holding here, as you can see, holding above. Looked like we're about to break back up and go somewhere that I wasn't interested. And essentially, that was it. All right, so those are the two trades. The trade that I did miss, still have a sour taste in my mouth, was this beautiful sell-off. The goal was to enter the trade right up here. Well, right up here at 57.10. I wanted price to come closer, but price had already did that. As you can see, boom, hit it, and then now I had a level here from the 20 and I believe the 20 and 50 minute tick charts. So price came back up to it. We had a nice little push out. Came back to it, push out again. This could have been the first entry, and then I said, okay, I'm gonna wait for another retest, and I liked what I saw. I think somewhere around here we had actual trending lines on the tick charts, and I love that. It caught my attention a lot. I just wanted the prices to come down just a little bit lower, right? This is about 5 points this here, from here to here. So I wanted the price to go up a little lower so I can enter. Thought about entering here, stop loss right above, but I didn't. I wish I did, because this was a 3-point stop loss, which was only a $45 risk to make $450. Because my goal was to get out here, or weakness, which is right here, right? Here and then here. This were my two goals, here and here. We never got the sign of weakness until we got to the actual main level, so that would have really been a very nice, beautiful trade. Price held here, dropped, held, dropped, and then went to that level. Boom. So could have exited right up there. So this is the 15 tick chart. We had sign of weakness right here, but the level was not reached yet. 20 tick chart, nothing reached yet. So the 10 tick chart, oh my greatness, that would have been a great trade. I don't mean to open it up. Act right. All right, so that was the trade. I hope I zoomed out. I didn't. This is the 15 tick chart. This is the selling that I was talking about. Price came back to it. I saw this little wick right here. That was the thing that was concerning me. This here, I saw these nice wicks here, and on the 20 tick chart, nice wick there. But the 15 tick chart is what was concerning me. But if I had just taken the trade, stop loss could have been just right above there, or right above here. It would have been a great trade. I would have been done at 10:30 basically, and that would have been a 12-minute, 20-minute trade for 450. This was actually like a 10-to-1 trade. All right, so let's go to the videos, and I played in 2x speed. All right, so let's go to the videos. We'll play at 2x speed. Entry was at 10:53 and 11 o'clock. See, that one didn't even last seconds. Alright, so and then while it's doing that, I am going to, these were the same two trades, so let's mark this up real quickly. Today is May 9th, 2025. This is two trades, breakout, retest, and this is short. Been shorting a lot, and the times are 11:53:27 and 11 o'clock. 11:03. Sorry, 10:53:27 and 10:20. All right, so like that. Okay. And yes, the trades did follow some of the criteria. So let's go to the trades. So, all right. So here goes the first trade, right? So you can see we had a push down. We had push down from this level, right? We had a push down from this level. I don't have the black marks yet until after that, right? So I wasn't interested. I was like, I saw this trade level and I was like, not really interested until we started seeing some black lines, and then I went to the 5 tick chart. But I like that we pushed down, a nice push down away from it. So price developed that dark area to show that we were trying to create a range. So that's what I got interested. I saw that during the week. We're also inside of this large body here, so it felt like a potential ranging day. There goes me trying to calculate an entry point, trying to see how can I enter. Let's slow it down. Sheesh, I am flying by. Alright, so I had the 5-tick chart. I saw the sell here. Price came back to it, sold off right here, right? So this was the first potential trade. We had a nice rejection here. I think we had a nice rejection here too. Nice rejection. It was a nice rejection all around. Nice rejection all around for about 10 to 15 points. I would have been happy with that. I would have walked away with that. We had a strong buy, pushing price back up. As you can see, we had the selling going on right here on the 10-tick chart. I really love that. Was popping up here. Let me know that we're trending. Alright, so now just looking, I was looking for price to come up to this 510 area right here. But price, now I was looking at this here. I said we got buying here, but the buying is kind of weak below all of the selling. And then here goes price setting up. I think this is the first one. I was looking for a deeper move, right? And I think this may have been the second one right here. Alright, so I was looking for a deep move, and then there we go. Alright, so this is where I probably should have entered. Stop loss right above. Alright, let's bring it back a little bit. Oh, I did not mean to jump that far back. Sheesh. Alright, so this is where I kind of wanted to enter. Alright, we got the this is the 15-minute tick chart. I'm saying like, damn, it did not give me what I really wanted. I was looking for a nice wick, but it had already happened, and I said this would suck if this price sells off, and it fucking did. I said we're not gonna get back up there. We're not gonna get a quadruple touch. Oh, nothing I could do. We had the lesson of absorption on the 1 minute, which I saw that. We had this sell here. I mean, everything's matched up. We had a sell here, came back to it, absorption here, right at the 10 o'clock. And the setup didn't come until after 10 o'clock. That absorption happened, absorption happened. We had an absorption right here. Right, so price is just like, yo, I just wanted to sell off, man. Why you just keep bothering me? I got absorption there. Alright, so alright. And price goes and hit it. Alright, we had already absorbed right there. You know, we already sold right here. I mean, price is just like, yo, let me sell the freak off. Boom, we go right deep into that level. And that was it. Alright, that was it. Price just dropped. Went, really got into it. Right? Push, 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 bam, right? Hit that target. Right? That target is right here, right here, right here, right? 3-point target. Alright? Boom, hit it. Right? Oh, I should go long, right? No, I don't know if price will continue or if price is actually going to bounce. So I didn't go long. I didn't get my setup that I wanted. We did get like a buy on the 10-tick chart, but you know, maybe it would have just been a short-lived buy, and then I would have been stopped out for break even. And that's fine. I'm okay with break even trades. I really am. But there goes my first trade here. 10.53.27 popping up right now. This looks familiar. I see the trend line. I see that we're going to the stand right here. 1053.27. All right, so why this level? This level still kind of new, but it's fresh enough to say that hey, price did have buying and selling out of it. Right, so it's a 3-time level. Nothing I could do about it. It is a little different from what I was doing before. And what I was doing before was trying to get trades like what I saw up here, which is a new fresh trade. So this is basically out of my trading system. All right, cause this is a level that's not fresh, and it's out of my trading system. Now that I'm thinking about it, this is out of my trading system. All right, so this is out of trading system. Trading old SR. I don't trade old S. I think this is out of my trading system. Let me go look at the charts. This one. Yeah. All right. This is not part of the system. It is a fresh chart, but it's not. It's like it's not. Look how wicked this is. I need the price to actually get moving. So this is technically out of my trading system. The chart did not. The chart was just too much. This was good. This 1 minute one. This was good. All right, we had level. Price moved away, came back up, moved away even more, came back, and it sold off. Right, moved. This one here was just freaking 2 weeks, 2 weeks of news. So this is basically way out of my trading system. Trading old. Nope, it's not trading old. Trading supply and resistance with no true trend. Right, so but we'll still mark the stuff. We had this one. We had this one. We had this one. Where's the close inside of time frame? I don't know. Freaking damn thing can do that. Breakout, retest, same level. Breakout, close through, level, same level. Partial. Only the 5 minute. Right. Retest value confirmation. Yes. Only the 5 minute time frame had price close below it. The 15 and 30 minute time frame reclaimed the level. Who's writing this? Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't freaking out. I wasn't trying to like. I was basically talking to myself the entire time. Help kept my nerve cool. And yes, I respect the stop loss. Yes, I moved to break even on the first trade. Breakout retest. Yep, retest on the tick chart. We're not talking about that. Risk management was very good. Position size stayed the same. Retest. Yep, move to break even. First trade only. And aware of my risk protocol. Yes. Okay. Trade idea was solid. Just no commitment from sellers. Buyers devoured the buyers stepped in when I tried to go short. Alright, so that's basically it. May Alright, so let's go over the trade. Sorry. So 1053 order failed. Price look like it's about to go. We got to. Oh, so price like it's about to go. I'm at a. What just happened, man? Alright, got that sell there. So alright, here we go. Boom. Alright. So I had it like that. Somehow we're at 2-1, and then all of a sudden we're not at 2-1. Alright, so price dropped about 8 points in my direction. And then there goes the correction. So it entered me a little later. But this one's actually if you know how to take a punch. Likely they're gonna punch you. Don't know where that came from. Alright, so yeah, price didn't do what I wanted to do. Alright, and then 5 more minutes, I tried to enter again. Speculating that price may or may not work out. Damn, I just got exhausted. 11 o'clock. Alright, so entry is coming in right now. Boom, right, so that's the entry. So we'll see that the 20-minute is trying to resist. And the yogurt. What am I talking about? I am tired. Whew. Okay, that's exhausted. I need to take my mind to sleep. Alright, so price just wasn't moving in my direction here. The minute I entered, it basically started moving up, and I exited right away. Alright, so I didn't give it time to breathe, since I didn't have enough time to actually click and set up some things. I just said, let me just hit these screenshots and call it there. And that's exactly what I did. Called it there, and I stayed until like 11:45. I gave 45 minutes trying to figure out what price was wanting to do. Price basically chopped around, right? As I'm just saying down, I had a very good trade. But price chopped around, didn't give me much of anything. And then by this time, I'm already gone. And then now we do have a level down here at the bottom. This is a fresh zone. This is interesting that maybe price can come down to and bounce off of. That is a fresh zone. And this is what fresh zones look like. Alright, not those other stuff that I was doing earlier. Alright, so in a sense, and look at how crazy this is. Alright, so that's it for me for today. Sorry about the sleepiness. I know that I'm exhausted, so I'm calling here. Adios.